She was 16, falling so in love. Junior year, high school summer bus. Now he's still her best friend, unconditionally. She promised to love him, be everything he needs. Their love is like the fireworks that lit up the midnight sky. In the dark, dancing like they don't know why. And they may be burning out and falling down, but he'll still be holding her after the fireworks. He's the most hard-working man she knows, and he would always carry her back home. Their love is like fireworks that lit up the midnight sky. In the dark, dancing, but they don't know why. They might be burning out and falling down, but he'll be holding her after the fireworks. Their love is like the fireworks lit up the midnight sky. In the dark, dancing like they don't know why. They might be burning out and falling down, but he'll still be holding her after the fireworks.